श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। षष्ठोऽध्यायः ध्यानम्। ॐ नागाधीश्वरविष्ठरां फणिपणोत्तं सोरुरत्नावली भास्वद्देहलतां दिवाकरनिभां नेत्रत्रयोद्भासितां मालाकुम्भकपालनीरजकरां चन्द्रार्धचूडां परां सर्वज्ञेश्वरभैरवाङ्कनिलयां पद्मावतीं चिन्तये। ॐ ऋषिरुवाच इत्याकर्ण्यवचो देव्याः सधूतो मर्षपूरितः इत्याकर्ण्यवचो देव्याः सधूतो मर्षपूरितः
इत्याकर्ण्यवचो देव्याः सधूतो मर्षपूरितः इत्याकर्ण्यवचो देव्याः सधूतो मर्षपूरितः
समाचष्ट समागम्य दैत्यराजाय विस्तरात् समाचष्ट समागम्य दैत्यराजाय विस्तरात् इत्याकर्ण्यवचो देव्याः सधूतो मर्षपूरितः समाचष्ट समागम्य दैत्यराजाय विस्तरात्
इत्याकर्ण्यवचो देव्याः सधूतो मर्षपूरितः समाचष्ट समागम्य दैत्यराजाय विस्तरात् इत्याकर्ण्यवचो देव्याः सधूतो मर्षपूरितः समाचष्ट समागम्य दैत्यराजाय विस्तरात्
इत्याकर्ण्य इति आकर्ण्य. आकर्ण्य means heard. Vacho devyaha. After hearing Devya's words, Devi's words, sadhutha amarshapuritaha. The messenger, the Dutha who went to Sugriva, he got very furious after hearing the words of Devi. This is Ityakarnya Vacho Devyaha Sadhutho Marshapuritaha means full of rage. He's completely furious about what she told him. He rejected, no? In fact, the first was the rejection. That's why. Samachashta samagamya. Samagamya means he got back and met. Samachashta reported. Samachashta means he reported after meeting Daitya Raja. Daitya Raja is the Shumba here. He reported to Shumba. He came back and met Shumba and reported him Vistarat. In full detail he explained. Daitya Raja Shumba. Daitya Raja, king of the Daityas. Daitya Raja is Shumba. Samachashta means meeting, reporting. Samagamya means samachashta. Sama agamya. Agamya, he came back and met Shumba and explain to him in detail what has transpired between Devi and him when he met him. Okay? Tasya dhutasya tadvakyam.
Tasya dhutasya tadvakyam. Tasya dhutasya tadvakyam.
Akarnyasurarattatah.
Akarnyasurarattatah. Akarnyasurarattatah.
Tasya dhutasya tadvakyam akarnyasurarattatah.
Tasya dhutasya tadvakyam akarnyasurarattatah. Tasya dhutasya tadvakyam akarnyasurarattatah.
Sakrodah praha daityanam.
Sakrodah praha daityanam. Sakrodah praha daityanam.
Adipam dhumralochanam.
Adipam dhumralochanam. Adipam dhumralochanam.
Sakrodah praha daityanam adipam dhumralochanam.
Sakrodah praha daityanam adipam dhumralochanam. Sakrodah praha daityanam adipam dhumralochanam.
Tasya dhutasya tadvakyam akarnyasurarattatah. Sakrodah praha daityanam adipam dhumralochanam.
Tasya dhutasya tadvakyam akarnyasurarattatah. Sakrodah praha daityanam adipam dhumralochanam. Tasya dhutasya tadvakyam akarnyasurarattatah. Sakrodah praha daityanam adipam dhumralochanam.
Tasya dhutasya tadvakyam. When he heard akarnya, that is how it is split, Tadvakyam, akarnya, asurarat tadaha. Asura here Shumbu. So on hearing his messenger's report, Asurarat, the king of the Rakshasas, Asurarat, king of the Rakshasas, Sakroda, he got very enraged, angry. He's got very angry. How can she not accept my words and come to me? So he got very angry. Praha Daityan Adipam Dhumralochanam. He calls his chief of the Daityas, Adipam, Daityanam Adipam, chief of the demons, called Dhumralochanam. And Praha, he started talking to him. He told him in his anger, in his rage, he was talking to him because he was rejected by his appeal was rejected by her. Okay? Dhumra Lochanam. Dhumra means foggy, smoky. Lochanam means eyes. So smoky eyes means you cannot see things clearly. No? When your eyesight is not clear, especially when you have a cataract or something, when your eyesight is not clear, then it is all like, hazy. It is like, so we know by the name that has been given to him, we know that he cannot see things clearly. And he is going to...
Rage. When there is rage, your
mind
is filled with...
No, that is Lochana. Rage is different. He is going only as a representative. Rage is only with the guy, with the Raja, Daitya Raja, Shumba. He is going only with us because the way he approached, he doesn't know what is in store for him. What is the capacity of the enemy? Without knowing any details, he is ready to go and fight. The picture is not very clear.
Yes.
For him, it is only the beginning of the story. For him now, this Shumba's appeal was rejected by her, so Shumba is angry. Other than this, he doesn't know how strong or weak she is, whether he can go and fight, and what is the real picture. So it is like going blind and getting into the misery. Okay. He Dhumralochanashu.
He Dhumralochanashu. He Dhumralochanashu.
Tvam swasainya parivaritaha.
Tvam swasainya parivaritaha. Tvam swasainya parivaritaha.
He Dhumralochanashu. Tvam swasainya parivaritaha.
He Dhumralochanashu. Tvam swasainya parivaritaha. He Dhumralochanashu. Tvam swasainya parivaritaha.
Tamanaya baladushtam.
Tamanaya baladushtam. Tamanaya baladushtam.
Keshakarshana vihvalam.
Keshakarshana vihvalam. Keshakarshana vihvalam.
Tamanaya baladushtam. Keshakarshana vihvalam.
Tamanaya baladushtam. Keshakarshana vihvalam. Tamanaya baladushtam. Keshakarshana vihvalam.
He Dhumralochanashu. Tvam swasainya parivaritaha. Tamanaya baladushtam. Keshakarshana vihvalam.
He Dhumralochanashu. Tvam swasainya parivaritaha. Tamanaya baladushtam. Keshakarshana vihvalam. He Dhumralochanashu. Tvam swasainya parivaritaha. Tamanaya baladushtam. Keshakarshana vihvalam.
So he looks at Dhumralochana and he calls, hey Dhumralochana, now go with your sainyam, go with your army. Dhumralochana has got his own army because he's the chief of the Rakshasa. So he says, go with your army. Swasainya parivaritaha. Go along with your army. Swasainyam, your army. Take your army and go. Tamanaya baladushtam. Tamana means being breathless. When you are angry, you are breathless. You breathe more when you are angry. So, Tamanaya. Now, from the expression that he first gave, what is Devi's Stri Ratna. Stri Ratna, she's the jewel among the women. Now he says Dushtam, she's the vile woman. She rejected me. So she is a vile woman. Dushtam, she's a Dushta. Balad Dushtam. Go with your strength. Kesha Kashana Vihvalam. Drag her by her hair. She's not going to, if someone is going to drag your hair and take you, she's not going to be simply coming, following you. She'll be agitated and perturbed. Vihvalam. That is what they have used the word Vihvalam. Where, she'll be agitated. The way she is agitated, you bring her, drag her by her hair and bring her here. Dushtam, he says, this is the next step of anger. When you don't get it, it is not sour grape. It is somehow I have to achieve it. You become you just don't leave it okay, this is not meant for me. You don't leave it like that. If it is like normal human being, probably we will leave it. See here, it is so beautiful. As you asked me once about Dhumralochana, even Shumba does not have any idea. He is all going by the words that Chanda Munda spoke initially, He got little carried away, and it is only a third person version. He has not seen it personally. So, but still, like, the to possess everything that is beautiful in this world, or everything that is precious in this world, it makes him greedy and somehow wants to get it, achieve it at the end of it. Okay? So you let her kick and scream, drag her by her hair. Okay? Tat paritranah kaschid.
Tat paritranah kaschid. Tat paritranah kaschid.
Yadi votishthate paraha.
Yadi votishthate paraha. Yadi votishthate paraha.
Tat paritranah kaschid yadi votishthate paraha.
Tat paritranah kaschid yadi votishthate paraha. Tat paritranah kaschid yadi votishthate paraha.
Sahantavyo maro vapi.
Sahantavyo maro vapi. Sahantavyo maro vapi.
Yaksho gandharva eva va.
Yaksho gandharva eva va. Yaksho gandharva eva va.
Sahantavyo maro vapi. Yaksho gandharva eva va.
Sahantavyo maro vapi. Yaksho gandharva eva va. Sahantavyo maro vapi. Yaksho gandharva eva va.
Tat paritranah kaschid yadi votishthate paraha. Sahantavyo maro vapi. Yaksho gandharva eva va.
Tat paritranah kaschid yadi votishthate paraha. Sahantavyo maro vapi. Yaksho gandharva eva va. Tat paritranah kaschid yadi votishthate paraha. Sahantavyo maro vapi. Yaksho gandharva eva va.
Tat paritranah. If someone comes to protect her, paritranah means protect her, save her. Either to protect her or wish to support her. Tishthate paraha. Whether they want to protect her or support her, sahantavyo. Kill them there. Kill them there. Slay them there immediately. Amaro vapi yaksho gandharva. Even let it be gods or any other celestials. Gandharva, yaksha, anybody, kill them instantly if they come to protect her or support her. The order is very clear. So let us see what now goes like. Rushiruvacha.
Rushiruvacha. Rushiruvacha.
Tenanyaptastadashigram.
Tenanyaptastadashigram. Tenanyaptastadashigram.
Sadaityo dhumralochanah.
Sadaityo dhumralochanah. Sadaityo dhumralochanah.
Tenanyaptastadashigram. Sadaityo dhumralochanah.
Tenanyaptastadashigram. Sadaityo dhumralochanah. Tenanyaptastadashigram. Sadaityo dhumralochanah.
Vritashashtya sahasranam.
Vritashashtya sahasranam. Vritashashtya sahasranam.
Asuranam dhrutam yayau.
Asuranam dhrutam yayau. Asuranam dhrutam yayau.
Vritasashtya sahasranam asuranam dhrutam yayau.
Vritasashtya सहस्राणाम् असुराणाम् द्रुतम् ययौ वृतश्चष्ट्या सहस्राणाम् असुराणाम् द्रुतम् ययौ
तेनाज्ञप्तस्ततः शीघ्रम् स दैत्यो धूम्रलोचनः वृतषष्ट्या सहस्राणाम् असुराणाम् द्रुतम् ययौ
तेनाज्ञप्तस्ततः शीघ्रम् स दैत्यो धूम्रलोचनः वृतषष्ट्या सहस्राणाम् असुराणाम् द्रुतम् ययौ तेनाज्ञप्तस्ततः शीघ्रम् स दैत्यो धूम्रलोचनः वृतषष्ट्या सहस्राणाम् असुराणाम् द्रुतम् ययौ.
So as commanded by the Tenanyaptastadaha, as commanded by the supreme leader here, Shumba, Shighram Daityo Dhumralochana. Immediately, quickly, Dhumralochana went off, set off to fight against Devi. Vridha Sashtya Sahasranam Asurana. 60,000 Asuras, surrounded by 60,000 Asuras. Sashtyanam Sahasra. Sashtya Sahasranam means 60,000 Asuras. Drutham Yayo. Quickly he went where Devi was staying. So, as soon as he heard the command from Shumba, he left. Immediately, he quickly gathered his army with 60,000 Asuras and left quickly as he gathered. He left immediately. He set off to fight with her. Sadrishtva tam tatho devim.
Sadrishtva tam tatho devim. Sadrishtva tam tatho devim.
Tuhinachala samsthitam.
Tuhinachala samsthitam. Tuhinachala samsthitam.
Sadrishtva tam tatho devim. Tuhinachala samsthitam.
Sadrishtva tam tato devim. Tuhinachala samsthitam. Sadrishtva tam tato devim. Tuhinachala samsthitam.
Jagadochai prayahiti.
Jagadochai prayahiti. Jagadochai prayahiti.
Moolam Shumbhanishubhayoh.
Moolam Shumbhanishubhayoh. Moolam Shumbhanishubhayoh.
Jagadochai prayahiti. Moolam Shumbhanishubhayoh.
Jagadochai prayahiti. Moolam Shumbhanishubhayoh. Jagadochai prayahiti. Moolam Shumbhanishubhayoh.
Sadrishtva tam tatho devim. Tuhinachala samsthitam. Jagadochai prayahiti. Moolam Shumbhanishubhayoh.
Sadrishtva tam tato devim. Tuhinachala samsthitam. Jagadochai prayahiti. Moolam Shumbhanishubhayoh. Sadrishtva tam tato devim. Tuhinachala samsthitam. Jagadochai prayahiti. Moolam Shumbhanishubhayoh.
So Devi is now stationed at Himalayas, snowy mountain, Tuhinachala. Tuhina means snow, snowy mountains. Achala means mountains. Tuhinachala samsthitam. She is stationed there in the Himalayas, in the snowy mountains. Sadrishtva tham tato devim. He saw her there. As soon as he saw her there, Dhumralochana, it is not Shumba and Nishumba, Dhumralochana saw her in the mountains. He was Jagadochai. Uchai means screaming, thundering in loud voice that everybody can hear, like thundering voice, he said, now you leave, prayahiti, now you come, moolam Shumba Nishumbayo. You come to the presence of Shumba and Nishumba now, right now, start up now. Like you come to the presence of Shumba and Nishumba. He is threatening her. Okay. Na chet prityadhya bhavati.
Na chet prityadhya bhavati. Na chet prityadhya bhavati.
Madbhartaramupayishyati.
Madbhartaramupayishyati. Madbhartaramupayishyati.
Na chet prityadhya bhavati. Madbhartaramupayishyati.
Na chet prityadhya bhavati. Madbhartaramupayishyati. Na chet prityadhya bhavati. Madbhartaramupayishyati.
Tato balanayam yesha.
Tato balanayam yesha. Tato balanayam yesha.
Kesha karshana vihvalam.
Kesha karshana vihvalam. Kesha karshana vihvalam.
Tato balanayam yesha. Kesha karshana vihvalam.
Tato balanayam yesha. Kesha karshana vihvalam. Tato balanayam yesha. Kesha karshana vihvalam.
Na chet prityadhya bhavati. Madbhartaramupayishyati. Tato balanayam yesha. Kesha karshana vihvalam.
Na chet prityadhya bhavati. Madbhartaramupayishyati. Tato balanayam yesha. Kesha karshana vihvalam. Na chet prityadhya bhavati. Madbhartaramupayishyati. Tato balanayam yesha. Kesha karshana vihvalam.
There was so much sarcasm in his voice because he is seeing a lone woman there. Bhavati, oh, Your Highness, if gladly if you don't come, mat yat prityadhya, gladly if you don't come to my master, mat bhartara, my master, mat bhartara, upayishyati, upayasha means coming. If you don't come gladly, if Her Highness doesn't want to come gladly to my master, tato bhalan nayam yesha, then I will have to carry you by force. Nayam means carrying. Bhalan nayam, with force I have to carry you. Kesha karshana vihvalam, drag you by your hair. Okay, absolute full of sarcasm. And the reply also comes from the Devi with full of sarcasm. She is just playing, so she doesn't want, I am no less. Okay, so this is what the gradual thing of how when what looks so beautiful, what is appreciated is so beautiful. If you don't get it, how the mindset changes. This is exactly this is the first step, and the next step is when Chandamunda has to go. It just keeps increasingly, you just somehow want to, it is so, when it is especially evasive, you just want to get hold of it. It is something like that. Devyuvacha Daityeshwarena prahito Balavan balasambrutaha Daityeshwarena prahito Balavan balasambrutaha
बलवान् बलसंवृतः दैत्येश्वरेण प्रहितो बलवान् बलसंवृतः
बलान् नयसि मामेवम्
बलान् नयसि मामेवम् बलान् नयसि मामेवम्
ततः किं ते करोम्यहम्
ततः किं ते करोम्यहम् ततः किं ते करोम्यहम्
बलान् नयसि मामेवम् ततः किं ते करोम्यहम्
बलान् नयसि मामेवम् ततः किं ते करोम्यहम् बलान् नयसि मामेवम् ततः किं ते करोम्यहम्
दैत्येश्वरेण प्रहितो बलवान् बलसंवृतः बलान् नयसि मामेवम् ततः किं ते करोम्यहम्
दैत्येश्वरेण प्रहितो बलवान् बलसंवृतः बलान् नयसि मामेवम् ततः किं ते करोम्यहम् दैत्येश्वरेण प्रहितो बलवान् बलसंवृतः बलान् नयसि मामेवम् ततः किं ते करोम्यहम्.
Ambal is more sarcastic. He's telling, okay, I sent word through the messenger asking Shumba and Nishumba to come. Either one of them to come. Prahito, but instead of that, he has sent a Balavan, very strong person, Bala Samvritaha, with a very strong army. He's Balavan, but he didn't come. He has sent somebody else. So Balavan, Bala Samvritaha. He is a strong person with a strong army. Balan Nayasi Mamevam. If you take me by force, Balan, if you are going to take me by force, carry me by force, Kim te karomyaham? What can I do? So the reply was only this, like, say, what can I do if you want to take me by force? Because you are a strong person, you have got a very strong army. But you have come in instead of Shumba and Nishumba. So all these words, like, playing with the words, like she also is no less. Rushirvacha Ityuktasobhyadhavattam Asuro dhumralochanaha Ityuktasobhyadhavattam Asuro dhumralochanaha Hunkarenaiva tam bhasma Sachakarambika tataha Katapetam is there? Tathambikam. Sa tadambikam.
Sa chakarambika. Hunkarenaiva tam basma sa chakarambika. It is whom or whom?
Humkar. Hum. That. Hum. No dila. Humkar. Hum is a bijam. Hum actually is a bijam here. So humkara, when you say it, like, that is, the bijam is hidden in that. That is the reason that bijam has come there. Okay? Got it corrected? Okay. इत्युक्तः सोऽभ्यधावत्तामसुरो धूम्रलोचनः हुङ्कारणैव तं भस्म सा चकाराम्बिका ततः
इत्युक्तः सोऽभ्यधावत्तामसुरो धूम्रलोचनः हुङ्कारेणैव तं भस्म सा चकाराम्बिका ततः इत्युक्तः सोऽभ्यधावत्तामसुरो धूम्रलोचनः हुङ्कारेणैव तं भस्म सा चकाराम्बिका ततः.
Devi's reply, it full of sarcasm, but Dhumralochana felt it is very innocent. She is a very meek single woman here standing lonely, so he feels it is very innocent and it is very easy to kill her. So Ityukta Sobhyadavatam, having thus, when he heard this address by Devi, Abhyadhavata, he immediately started rushing towards her to kill her. Abhyadhavata Asuro Dhumralochana. Abhyadhavata means immediately he comes. As soon as he heard her reply, he immediately started rushing towards her. Hunkarenaiva tham basma. She just made one outcry. He got burnt and basma, he just fell down like that. There no attempt of even raising one weapon there. So he just fell down. Hunkarenaiva tham basma sa chakar. From there, immediately, the moment he started rushing towards her, made that sound and he just fell there, completely burnt, reduced to ashes immediately. So there is no sight of, that's the beauty of when you get burnt. The thing loses its identity. Whatever is burnt, if it is washed away by water, or if it is like there is a cyclone, at least you will see some glimpses of there was a house there, there is something was there, some even the remains, all the, not only human remains, even animals. So you can see that this must have been the plant or this must have been the tree. Only the Basma has got only one thing, everything is reduced to ashes. Everything is reduced to ashes. So Basma, so there is no sight of him there. He was just reduced to ashes. That is what they say. How he took her so innocently, and in no time that he was reduced to ashes by her by one sound. Now she doesn't fight, her lion takes over. Okay? Atha kruddham mahasainyam.
Atha kruddham mahasainyam. Atha kruddham mahasainyam.
Asuranam tathambika.
Asuranam tathambika. Asuranam tathambika.
Atha kruddham mahasainyam asuranam tathambika.
Atha kruddham mahasainyam asuranam tathambika. Atha kruddham mahasainyam asuranam tathambika.
Vavarshasayakaistikshnais.
Vavarshasayakaistikshnais. Vavarshasayakaistikshnais.
Tata Shakti Parashvadaihi.
Tata Shakti Parashvadaihi. Tata Shakti Parashvadaihi.
Vavarshasayakaistikshnais. Tata Shakti Parashvadaihi.
Vavarshasayakaistikshnais. Tata Shakti Parashvadaihi. Vavarshasayakaistikshnais. Tata Shakti Parashvadaihi.
Atha kruddham mahasainyam asuranam tathambika. Vavarshasayakaistikshnais. Tata Shakti Parashvadaihi.
अतक्रुद्धं महासैन्यमसुराणां तथाम्बिका ववर्षसायकैस्तीक्ष्णैः सदा शक्तिपरश्वतैः अतक्रुद्धं महासैन्यमसुराणां तथाम्बिका ववर्षसायकैस्तीक्ष्णैः सदा शक्तिपरश्वतैः.
So as soon as the army saw Dhumralochana slain like this, reduced to ashes like this, they got very angry. Kruddham means angry. They were provoked. They were very, very angry with the death of Dhumralochana. Mahasainyam, that is the army got Asurana, Mahasainyam. So they got very angry with Ambika, and Vavarsha Sayaka is, Vavarsha means they rained. Tikshnai Sayaka is Tikshnai, sharp arrows. Sayaka means arrows, Tikshna means sharp. Sharp arrows. Shakti, Shakti means the sphere. Parash means axis. Parashu, Parashvadaihi. They were raining all these weapons at her. Okay? Tatho Dhutasathakkopad.
Tato Dhutasathakkopad. Tato Dhutasathakkopad.
Krutva Nadam Subhairavam.
Krutva Nadam Subhairavam. Krutva Nadam Subhairavam.
Tatho Dhutasathakkopad. Krutva Nadam Subhairavam.
Tato Dhutasathakkopad. Krutva Nadam Subhairavam. Tato Dhutasathakkopad. Krutva Nadam Subhairavam.
Papatasuraseenayam.
Papatasuraseenayam. Papatasuraseenayam.
Simho Devya Svavahanaha.
Simho Devya Svavahanaha. Simho Devya Svavahanaha.
Papatasuraseenayam. Simho Devya Svavahanaha.
Papatasuraseenayam. Simho Devya Svavahanaha. Papatasuraseenayam. Simho Devya Svavahanaha.
Tatho Dhutasathakkopad. Krutva Nadam Subhairavam. Papatasuraseenayam. Simho Devya Svavahanaha.
Tato Dhutasathakkopad. Krutva Nadam Subhairavam. Papatasuraseenayam. Simho Devya Svavahanaha. Tato Dhutasathakkopad. Krutva Nadam Subhairavam. Papatasuraseenayam. Simho Devya Svavahanaha.
Simho Devya Svavahanaha. Devi's vehicle, mount, which is Simha. Tatho Dhutasathakkopad. When a lion gets angry, it will just shake his mane, no? So vigorously it was shaking its mane. Nadam Subhairavam, and made Krutva Nadam Subhairavam, made a very loud and fierce noise, like loud noise. It is terrifying to hear that roar. It is not just a noise, lions roar. So it is a terrifying roar. He just was emitting that kind of a roar. Papata Asura Senaya. Papata means he fell on the Asura Sena. The lion fell on the in one go he wanted to kill everybody. So he just fell on the Asura Sena, that army. So now Devi will not be fighting in this for the rest of, because Dhumralochana Vadam is over. Now only the lion will only take care of the army. That is, one single lion will take care of the entire army. Kanchit Kara Praharena.
Kanchit Kara Praharena. Kanchit Kara Praharena.
Daityanasyena Chaparan.
Daityanasyena Chaparan. Daityanasyena
करप्रहारेण दैत्यानास्येन चापरान्
काञ्चित्करप्रहारेण दैत्यानास्येन चापरान् काञ्चित्करप्रहारेण दैत्यानास्येन चापरान्
आक्रम्य चादरेणान्यान्
आक्रम्य चाधरेणान्यान्
different
Akrantya is
that is also there and bracket they have given.
okay, Pata Bedam is there, okay. Akramya Akrantya it is written. There is Pata Bedam only it is. There is nothing wrong in that. Akrantya. Akrama means seizing, like Akrama. You just go seize the enemy and come, like, or grabbing them like that, like seizing them. Akramya chadarenanyan.
आक्रम्य चादरेणान्यान् आक्रम्य चादरेणान्यान्
Sajagana Mahasuran.
सजगान महासुरान्.
That is also changed, huh? Yeah.
not there.
Huh?
Sa is not there.
Okay.
Chadarena. Sa is not there.
Sajagana.
Sa Mahasura.
ಜಗಾನ
ಚಾದರೇಣ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜಗಾನ ಸ ಮಹಾಸುರ.
That is okay. That is only. That is. Akramya chadarenanyan sajagana mahasuran.
आक्रम्य चादरेणान्यान् सजगान महासुरान् आक्रम्य
Akrama. There is Akrantya. That is one part of Vedam is there. Akrantya. But Akrama. Okay. Akramya chadarenanya sajagana mahasura. Kanchit kara praharena daitya nasyena chaparan. Akramya chadarenanyan sajagana mahasuran.
काञ्चित्करप्रहारेण दैत्यानास्येन चापरान् आक्रम्य चादरेणान्यान् सजगान महासुरान् काञ्चित्करप्रहारेण दैत्यानास्येन चापरान् आक्रम्य चादरेणान्यान् सजगान महासुरान्
Kanchit kara praharena daitya nasyena chaparan. Kara prahara with its paws. It was blowing, like it fell on the army and it started blowing the asuras, giving blows to the asuras with its paws. Okay? And Anyan, that is other asuras, some he was slapping with its paws, and other asuras it was seizing, dragging them or seizing them, and akramya. Adarena means very furiously. Anyan, very furiously he was seizing people. Anyan, others, at a time he was doing three things. First he was like, slapping the daityas with its paws, and he was seizing few forcibly, and Jagana Mahasura. Anya said Jagana Mahasura. Jagana means the hind leg, backside. Jagana is backside. So with the back leg, hind leg, it was trampling people, trampling the asuras. So all the three things, everything was busy. From head to toe, everything, it was busy. Because he was shaking the mane, he was screaming, and with all in one, everything is happening at the same time. Keshamshit patayamasa.
केषाञ्चित् पाठयामास केषाञ्चित् चित्पाटयामास
नखैः कोष्ठानि केसरी
नखैकोष्ठानि केसरी नखैकोष्ठानि केसरी
केषांश्चित् पाटयामास नखैः कोष्ठानि केसरी
केषाञ्चित् पाटयामास नखैकोष्ठानि केसरी केषाञ्चित् पाटयामास नखैकोष्ठानि केसरी
तथा तलप्रहारेण
तथा तलप्रहारेण
शिरांसि कृतवान् पृथक्
शिरांसि कृतवान् पृथक् शिरांसि कृतवान् पृथक्
तथा तलप्रहारेण शिरांसि कृतवान् पृथक्
तथा तलप्रहारेण शिरांसि कृतवान् पृथक् तथा तलप्रहारेण शिरांसि कृतवान् पृथक्
केषांश्चित् पाठयामास नखैः कोष्ठानि केसरी तथा तलप्रहारेण शिरांसि कृतवान् पृथक्
केषांश्चित् पाटयामास नखैकोष्ठानि केसरी तथा तलप्रहारेण शिरांसि कृतवान् पृथक् केषांश्चित् पाटयामास नखैकोष्ठानि केसरी तथा तलप्रहारेण शिरांसि कृतवान् पृथक्.
You have to imagine how Narasimha would have looked like when you see the lion tendency, you know. Tendency of the lion is to first tear the stomach open with its claws. No? So that is the tendency of a lion. That is when Narasimha also did the same thing. Because he was half lion, half animal, Narasimha did the same thing. So with its claws, the lion tore some people and took the bowels out of them. Tatha talapraharena shiramsi kritavan. With one blow, so many asuras' heads were flying. With talapraharena, with its paws, it was hitting so hard. See, asura, you have to imagine, they are not like us. They are huge and very strong. So how stronger this lion must have been. So when with the hit, the strike was so hard, the heads were rolling on the ground. Rolling heads of the asuras were rolling on the ground. Vichinna bahu shirasas
Vichinna bahu shirasas Vichinna bahu shirasas
Krutastena tatha pare
Krutastena tatha pare Krutastena tatha pare
Vichinna bahu shirasah Krutastena tatha pare
Vichinna bahu shirasah Krutastena tatha pare Vichinna bahu shirasah Krutastena tatha pare
Papau charudiram koshtad
Papau charudiram koshtad Papau charudiram koshtad
Anyesham dhuthake saraha
Anyesham dhutake saraha Anyesham dhutake saraha
Papau charudiram koshtad Anyesham dhuthake saraha
Papau charudiram koshtad Anyesham dhutake saraha Papau charudiram koshtad Anyesham dhutake saraha
Vichinna bahu shirasah Krutastena तथा परे पपौ च रुधिरं कोष्ठादन्येषां धुतकेसरः
विच्छिन्न बाहुशिरसः कृतास्तेन तथा परे पपौ च रुधिरं कोष्ठादन्येषां धुतकेसरः विच्छिन्न बाहुशिरसः कृतास्तेन तथा परे पपौ च रुधिरं कोष्ठादन्येषां धुतकेसरः
Vichinna, it tore Bahu and Siras, arms and Bahu means arms, and the heads of few. Each one was having their end in a different way. So this one, some heads and arms, it was tearing. Krutasteen, as he was doing, he was tossing its mane, Dutha Kesaraha. Wow, he was doing again, shaking his mane. He's angry. That is when they shake the mane so vigorously. So, Papau Charudiram Koshta. Papau means drink. Papau Charudiram. It was drinking blood from some bellies that it tore open. Rudiram Koshta, Anyesha, Dutakesaraha. Dutakesaraha. Shaking vigorously like that, it lapped up a lot of blood from bellies of few asuras. Okay. क्षणेन तद्बलं सर्वं
क्षणेन तद्बलं सर्वं क्षणेन तद्बलं सर्वं
कोष्ठा the stomach. Okay, कोष्ठा is stomach. क्षयं नीतं महात्मना
क्षयं नीतं महात्मना क्षयं नीतं महात्मना
क्षणेन तद्बलं सर्वं क्षयं नीतं महात्मना
क्षणेन तद्बलं सर्वं क्षयं नीतं महात्मना क्षणेन तद्बलं सर्वं क्षयं नीतं महात्मना
तेन केसरिणा देव्या
तेन केसरिणा देव्या तेन केसरिणा देव्या
वाहनेनाधिकोपिना
वाहनेनातिकोपिना वाहनेनातिकोपिना
तेन केसरिणा देव्या वाहनेनातिकोपिना
तेन केसरिणा देव्या वाहनेनातिकोपिना तेन केसरिणा देव्या वाहनेनातिकोपिना
Devya's Vahanam, this lion, that in anger, they say Athikopina, in her, very infuriated, very angry, furious. Mahatmana, very noble. You have to understand it is Devi's Vahanam. It is a noble Vahanam. In one moment, Shanena tad balam sarvam kshayam nitham. In an instant, it brought down the entire army of Dhumralochana. Entire army was wrecked actually with destruction in no time. Okay. And this is only story. That is why I am not giving so much of explanation. Okay, I am just going by the storyline. That's it. Okay. Shrutva tamasuram devya.
श्रुत्वा तमसुरं देव्या श्रुत्वा तमसुरं देव्या
निहतं धूम्रलोचनम्
निहतं धूम्रलोचनं निहतं धूम्रलोचनं
श्रुत्वा तमसुरं देव्या निहतं धूम्रलोचनम्
श्रुत्वा तमसुरं देव्या निहतं धूम्रलोचनं श्रुत्वा तमसुरं देव्या निहतं धूम्रलोचनं
बलं च क्षयितं कृत्स्नम्
बलं च क्षयितं कृत्स्नं बलं च क्षयितं कृत्स्नं
देवी केसरिणा ततः
देवी केसरिणा ततः देवी
Balam chakshaitam kritsnam devi kesarina tataha.
Balam chakshaitam kritsnam devi kesarina tataha. Balam chakshaitam kritsnam devi kesarina tataha.
Shrutva tamasuram devya nihadam dhumralochanam. Balam chakshaitam kritsnam devi kesarina tataha.
Shrutva tamasuram devya nihatam dhumralochanam. Balam chakshaitam kritsnam devi kesarina tataha. Shrutva tamasuram devya nihatam dhumralochanam. Balam chakshaitam kritsnam devi kesarina tataha.
So when Shumba heard how Dhumralochana was killed, he heard that Devi killed Dhumralochana and the manner in which she killed him, and Balam Chakshaitam Kritsnam. So Dhumralochana's entire army, entirely, Kritsna means entirely, Balam is army, his strength was his army. How his army, in entirety, got destroyed. Chayitam means destroyed. Devi Kesarina, Devi's lion, by Devi's lion. So he heard like Devi killed Dhumralochana and Devi's lion destroyed the entire army of Dhumralochana. Okay? It's okay, 10 minutes more? It's okay? Okay. Chukhopadhaityadhipati.
Chukhopadhaityadhipati. Chukhopadhaityadhipati.
Shumbha prasfuritadharaha.
Shumbha prasfuritadharaha. Shumbha prasfuritadharaha.
Chukhopadhaityadhipati Shumbha prasfuritadharaha.
Chukhopadhaityadhipati Shumbha prasfuritadharaha. Chukhopadhaityadhipati Shumbha prasfuritadharaha.
Ajñāpayāmāsa catau.
Ajñāpayāmāsa catau. Ajñāpayāmāsa catau.
Chandamundau mahāsurau.
Chandamundau mahāsurau. Chandamundau mahāsurau.
Ajñāpayāmāsa catau Chandamunda mahāsurau.
Ajñāpayāmāsa catau Chandamundau mahāsurau. Ajñāpayāmāsa catau Chandamundau mahāsurau.
Chukhopadhaityadhipati Shumbha prasfuritadharaha. Ajñāpayāmāsa catau Chandamunda mahāsurau.
Chukhopadhaityadhipati Shumbha prasfuritadharaha. Ajñāpayāmāsa catau Chandamundau mahāsurau. Chukhopadhaityadhipati Shumbha prasfuritadharaha. Ajñāpayāmāsa catau Chandamundau mahāsurau.
Chukhopadhaityadhipati Shumbha. Shumbha got very angry because his Dhumralochana was chief of his asuras. So he was destroyed in no time by her. Prasfurita adaraha. That is Prasfurita adaraha. Okay? Prasfurita adaraha. Adhara means lower lip. When you are angry, your lower lip is only trembling, quivering, like, the words don't come so easily. It will be like shaking so much. Upper lip will be quiet. Only the lower lip will be trembling, quivering in rage, shivering in rage. So in that rage he calls Chanda and Munda. He commanded Chanda and Munda. Ajñāpayāmāsa. he commanded Chandamunda, who are two great asuras, okay, with trembling lips, like lower lip. He Chanda, he Munda, Balair Bahubif Parivarito.
He Chanda, he Munda, Balair
Bahubir, Balair, Patapedam is there. Balair Bahubif Parivarito.
Balair Bahubif Parivarito. Balair Bahubif Parivarito.
He Chanda, he Munda, Balair Bahubif Parivarito.
He Chanda, he Munda, Balair Bahubif Parivarito. He Chanda, he Munda, Balair Bahubif Parivarito.
Tatra Gachatha Gatvacha.
Tatra Gacchata Gatvacha. Tatra Gacchata Gatvacha.
Sasamaniyatam lagu.
Sasamaniyatam lagu. Sasamaniyatam lagu.
Tatra Gacchata Gatvacha. Sasamaniyatam lagu.
Tatra Gacchata Gatvacha. Sasamaniyatam lagu. Tatra Gacchata Gatvacha. Sasamaniyatam lagu.
He Chanda, he Munda, Balair Bahubif Parivarito. Tatra Gacchata Gatvacha. Sasamaniyatam lagu.
He Chanda, he Munda, Balair Bahubif Parivarito. Tatra Gacchata Gatvacha. Sasamaniyatam lagu. He Chanda, he Munda, Balair Bahubif Parivarito. Tatra Gacchata Gatvacha. Sasamaniyatam lagu.
So he is calling Chanda Munda, both of you come here. Go there, Balair Bahubif Parivarito, with immense force. Balair Bahubif Parivarito. Go with strong, very strong army. Tatra Gaccha, go there with very strong army. Gatvacha, having gone there, Sasamaniyatam lagu, at once bring her here. Don't do anything. Go with a huge army, strong army. Go there. Having gone there, bring her at once. That is the next command. What else they have to do? Kesheshva Krishya Badhvava.
Kesheshva Krishya Badhvava. Kesheshva Krishya Badhvava.
Yadi Vasamshayo Yudhi.
Yadi Vasamshayo Yudhi. Yadi Vasamshayo Yudhi.
Kesheshva Krishya Badhvava. Yadi Vasamshayo Yudhi.
Kesheshva Krishya Badhvava. Yadi Vasamshayo Yudhi. Kesheshva Krishya Badhvava. Yadi Vasamshayo Yudhi.
Tadha Seshayudhai Sarvair.
Tada Sheshayudhai Sarvair. Tada Sheshayudhai Sarvair.
Asurair Vinihanyatam.
Asurair Vinihanyatam. Asurair Vinihanyatam.
Tata Seshayudhai Sarvair Asurair Vinihanyatam.
Tada Sheshayudhai Sarvair Asurair Vinihanyatam. Tada Sheshayudhai Sarvair Asurair Vinihanyatam.
Kesheshva Krishya Badhvava. Yadi Vasamshayo Yudhi. Tada Seshayudhai Sarvair Asurair Vinihanyatam.
Kesheshva शेषेष्वाकृष्य बद्ध्वा वा यदि वः संशयो युधि तदा शेषायुधैः सर्वैरसुरैर्विनिहन्यताम् केशेष्वाकृष्य बद्ध्वा वा यदि वः संशयो युधि तदा शेषायुधैः सर्वैरसुरैर्विनिहन्यताम्.
So you choose Kesheshvaksha, you either drag her by hair, badhva, or bind her, tie her up. Okay? Bind her, badhva, bind her. Anything is okay. If you hesitate to do that, samshayo yudhi. If you doubt that you cannot do both, you cannot bring her either by dragging her by hair or by tying her up, then tata asthat aseshair ayudhaihi. Let them use all the weapons, sarvair asurair. Let all the asuras use all kinds of weapons and vinihanyatam, strike her down in the battle. Strike her down immediately. If they cannot do these two, so hurt her. No, not killing her has not come now. Killing will come only in the next stage. So first, somehow hurt her, strike her, hurt her, bring her alive here. Okay. That is why. Tasyam hatayam dushtayam.
Tasyam hatayam dushtayam. Tasyam hatayam dushtayam.
Simhe cha vinipatite.
Simhe cha vinipatite. Simhe cha vinipatite.
Tasyam hatayam dushtayam. Simhe cha vinipatite.
Tasyam hatayam dushtayam. Simhe cha vinipatite. Tasyam hatayam dushtayam. Simhe cha vinipatite.
Shigramagamyatam badhva.
Shigramagamyatam badhva. Shigramagamyatam badhva.
Gruhitva tamathambikam.
Gruhitva tamathambikam. Gruhitva tamathambikam.
Shigramagamyatam badhva. Gruhitva tamadambikam.
Shigramagamyatam badhva. Gruhitva tamatambikam. Shigramagamyatam badhva. Gruhitva tamatambikam.
Tasyam hatayam dushtayam. Simhe cha vinipatite. Shigramagamyatam badhva. Gruhitva tamathambikam.
Tasyam hatayam dushtayam. Simhe cha vinipatite. Shigramagamyatam badhva. Gruhitva tamathambikam. Tasyam hatayam dushtayam. Simhe cha vinipatite. Shigramagamyatam badhva. Gruhitva tamathambikam.
So when the entire army with its all kinds of weapons, if they are going to attack her and the lion, she will get wounded and the lion will be killed. Okay? Vinipatite, simhe cha vinipatite. After killing the lion, hatayam dushtayam. After the wounding that wild woman, dushtayam, tasyam hatayam dushtayam, simhe cha vinipatite. So what happened? Simham should be killed. Hatayam. Simham should be killed and she should be wounded. When all the entire army with all its weapons, if they are going to attack her, Shigram aghamyatam. So come back quickly, bring her without any delay. Shigram aghamyatam. Come back quickly without a delay. Badhva grihitva. Whether you bind her or seize her, wounded soldier, no? So you can bring her, Tam Athambika. You bring that Ambika either bound or seizing her. Okay. Shighram Aghamyata. Okay, you bring her quickly, without any delay. Iti Shri Markandeya Purane Savarnike Manvantare Devi Mahatmye Shumba Nishumba Senani Dhumra Lochana Badho Nam Sashtodhyayaha.
Iti Shri Markandeya Purane Savarnike Manvantare Devi Mahatmye Shumba Nishumba Senani Dhumra Lochana Vadho Nama Sashtodhyayaha.
So we will recite it once. Okay. I'll start from the Dhyana Slokam only because it will be one completed. Of course, should I record it separately and give? Okay, good.